Hey guys, it's Supoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking and thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. I wanted to make this introduction because I feel like yesterday I forgot to make the intro. I told you that I was going to cook omena and I was going to show you the final product of how I was frying omena, and I wanted to show you what I used actually to mix or fry omena, but I won't show you the process of cooking it because I had visitors here, so I didn't want to record it. The TV was on, they were talking loud, so I thought today is the following day, and I thought let me just make a intro for that video so that you guys can watch it without wasting your time. Guys, let's see what I used, and finally you are going to watch the final product of omena, silverfish, and kelp right from my kitchen garden. Let's enjoy. So guys, we are going to fry our omena, and what I'm going to use is I'm going to use tomatoes. I'm going to use our spring onions from my kitchen garden, and we're going to use parsley over here, dania. So of course I'm going to use some spices that I love to use is turmeric. Of course we're going to use salt, and some people like bitter spices, but I don't. So far this is what I'm going to use to cook or to fry our silver fish. I'll be showing you the final product. So my guests, they didn't want to be on camera, so I thought it was a good idea for me to come out here so I show you how I managed to fry this silverfish omena and kelps from my little kitchen garden. And this is ugali for those ones who come from where I come, or it's called not fufuleti. It's a mixture of corn and water. It's just where I come from, we call corn maize, but here in the US they call it corn. So it's a mixture of corn or maize and water. You let the water boil, and then you put the flour in, and then you mash until it get harder like this, and it makes like a dough, but it's so hard. It's so hard. So this is what I'm going to eat, and this is authentic Kenyan food for those ones who don't know. Apart from silverfish, you can put beef or chicken or whatever you can mix here to kind of make a beans or kales. Actually, in Kenya, it's called sukuma wiki, and Swahili is skuma wiki. Skuma means push, and the wick is just the wick is something that can push the wick to go through, because hey, we have to push the wick to go through. We have to keep eating. So skuma wiki came from that, pushing the wick. So this is every Kenyan household you can actually find these kales here. Even here in the US, you go every household, you can literally find these kales here. Guys, I feel like I need to put it in my mouth so I can show you how I'm eating it. And the way we eat ugali in Kenya or in Africa, we have to use our hands. So we have to get the ugali, we have to mash it like this, make a little bit like a hole, and get a little bit of silverfish and a little bit of kales. This is the Kenyan way. And then you Mm, 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 mm. Guys, I'm telling you, I feel like I'm in Kenya right now. I feel like I'm home in the village, because this is what we used to eat most of the time, apart from the silverfish. You can eat even kales by itself and ugali, or mix your corn and maize. So I wanted to come out here to be authentic to you and to show you how your village girl is doing here in the US. It's like we are still eating ugali and kales, and we are still cooking. One of these days, I'm gonna make a video for you from scratch, how I'm cooking the entire time. Like, I'm gonna make a video of you cooking for me, cooking ugali, and I'm gonna make a video of frying kales. Today I just wanted to show, because I had some guests in the house, so I didn't want to record it because they don't want to be on camera. So I didn't want to start recording and they're talking and TV's on. So I thought, just let me just finish cooking, and then step outside here so that I can show you exactly. I know this umbrella because it's too, the sun is setting that way, so it may not be uh, clear. I don't know. It may not be clear, but I hope you guys can see the final product that I have managed to make this. So I am going to eat, but I want you guys to comment, please. If you want me to cook for you this authentic food with any kind of anything, let me know so that I know when I'm cooking, somebody is going to enjoy the video. Guys, I'm taking, oh, do I have kales on my teeth? I'm scared of smiling now because I never know. Maybe I might be having kales because don't worry, I have water here. Mm. Hmm. Okay. So I have water because it's hot, but it's breezy, it's windy. I told you this dashiki, I got so many from Kenya. So this summer time here, this is when I want to wear them. This is when I want to enjoy them. I'm gonna take you to the lake. We have a lake near here. I'm gonna find some time, maybe next weekend. I can take you to the lake. I'm gonna wear my dashiki so that we can see how people are enjoying the water in the lake. Some people are even fishing in the lake. I did those kind of videos before, but I want to kind of bring, because we have new people here on my channel. So I want you guys to see the entire authentic lifestyle of Umoto lifestyle here. But the main theme of this video today, it's for Umoto lifestyle cooking her kales from her kitchen garden, which is over there. Let me show you again my kitchen garden. My kitchen garden is over there. Yay, it's so windy. But I was able to get that kales from there to my table right here where I'm eating outside with this beautiful umbrella here with the breeze and the pears behind me. This is a dream come true for a village girl who lives here in America, because we didn't have this. We didn't have this. And as I told you before, I am a storyteller, and most of my all of my stories are true stories. Like, I'm gonna be telling you stories of my high school, stories of my friends in a high school, primary school, also my family. So we are going to be sitting in this table. You're going to be seeing me in this table so many times telling stories, and sometimes you can catch me on my swing set right here. I have this let me do this. Let me do this. So it's my Happy Who Made a DIY. It's a very nice swing set. So you're going to be seeing me telling so many stories from that swing set, because that was the dream. And I'll be here enjoying my pears behind me and another pair on another side. So we'll be chit chatting. We'll be chit chatting here and there. So don't worry, so too, because I promise you that I'm going to show you how my authentic health is going to be. So this is why, or that's why I came outside, left my guests. So I came outside. Even now they're wondering, like, what is this girl doing? Some of them know that I have a YouTube channel, but they don't know that this is how I make my YouTube channel. So I can see some of them looking and asking, is this how she makes a YouTube channel video? Yes, my videos are authentic. Actually, they just natural. They flow naturally, because I am me. I don't want to make something fake that is not there. No, this is me sitting in my backyard here, windy, and making this and eating my ugali and silverfish omena and my kales from my garden. Guys, let me take a bite, okay? Ah. Mm, 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 mm. I love you so much, guys. Let me enjoy my my ugali or my lunch, and let me join my guests inside so that we can actually chat together and have some fun. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao from my backyard. Awesome.